Yes. Which of the males?
That one?
Oh, again. Yes, I recognize. Light blue and dark
And the
blue.
other is there.
Okay.
Oh, no, not your big head.
The head is quite very big, but the hair is a little bit smaller than the others.
Oh,
I know the image.
this is light blue now.
Oh, he's so active. Oh, yeah, yeah. Victory, we convince you.
He can act. Oh no, not you.
Say that. The females. Okay, the blue one.